Gavin's here. Gavin and I don't know if any of you do this, but Gavin and I are not just hilarious improvisers, we're also very serious actors at times. And we were both just in a movie that is, it's a big time movie. It's getting a lot of Oscar buzz and it's award bait. And all we need for the suggestion is for you to tell me what the name of the Oscar award to be nominated film we were in is.
The Roses That Cry.
The Roses That Cry. Yeah, The Roses That Cry. And what is the standout scene from that movie that we were in together?
Never mind. I was gonna say about thorns. Picking the thorns.
Under an umbrella.
The picking the thorns under the umbrella scene. Yeah, we were both nominated for this movie. Tell me
The Roses That Cry.
The Roses That Cry in the umbrella picking scene. Magdalene.
Yes,
Come in from the rain.
Ooh, thank you, Garrett.
A girl like you could catch a cold.
I fear I already have.
You caught your death. Oh no.
I hope you don't catch it too.
I don't think I can. I was vaccinated recently.
Oh, Garrett, always expressing your views on politics. You know I don't get vaccinated.
None of the women I choose get vaccinated, which is why you're my fourth wife-to-be, who will not be my wife.
I will not?
You've caught your death, my dear.
Oh.
I know you weren't schooled the way that I was. I took the carriage down the dirt road to the one-room schoolhouse, learned until I was 12.
And I only took math once in second grade.
Yes. You're a wonderful baker, dear. Maybe you should give me one more loaf of bread before you go.
I would love to if I could bake, but I'll sneeze all over the dough.
I never consumed your body, but I will consume your bread.
I wish you would consume more than just my bread. What are my supple bosoms?
My dear, I longed to squeeze your supple bosom in mine two hands, as I am now, and longingly look.
Sorry, continue.
My dear, though you will die and I will go on, I want you to know, I will not pause. I will not waver. I will not bat an eyelash at your death. I will find a new wife and put my seed in her belly.
This is not news that I want to hear, coming from thine ears.
Your bosom's getting cold, my dear. I think you're slipping away.
I best get over to the oven to make some bread, or attempt to.
Yes, and while you're at it, why doesn't he make me a sandwich?
Is that what it'll take to get you to love me and my bosoms?
I love your bosoms, but our love is already fading from my memory.
I'm right here.
Only a sandwich could bring you back now. Not physically, you're going to die, but in my memory for the next few minutes. Do it while I write a letter to your sister. Dear my wife's sister, your sister is caught at death. Even now, as I write this letter to you,
I'm still here.
I know I'm writing to your sister.
I'm making a sandwich.
Thank you very much, I'm hungry. Even as I write you this letter now, your sister, she's not done yet. She continues to torture me. But she will die, as I just felt the...
Do I or turkey?
Both.
Okay.
Both. And I put my face upon her ample bosom, and it was cold to the touch. I only hope that your bosom is still warm, my dear.
Lettuce?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. Will you toast the bread?
Oh, yes.
And as soon as your sister dies, which I hope is any minute now, as soon as she finishes my sandwich.
I'm still here. I'm not dying.
It's gonna take her like 3 days to get here on the horse.
I plan to not be dead
By the
then.
time she gets this, you'll be long dead for like a day.
I want to be alive for at least 20 more years.
My sweet, what don't you get? Take this bird.
Come back, birds!
Oh, my
Come
darling.
back, birds!
My darling, you're ice cold. Come here. Step down into this hole I've dug for you.
Is it warmer there?
Yes, my dear, it's warm. It'll be even warmer when I throw dirt on you.
You always take such good care of me. Don't forget, your sandwich is done.
Oh, I'll get to it.
You know what? This is actually kind of cold.
Hey, before you go, is there anything about your sister that like you wanted to tell me? Like any like tricks to like?
Herpes. Lots of herpes. Yeah.
You like it, don't you?
Oh, that feels so much better around my
Oh, look at
bosom.
that! The color's coming back to your face.
It's
So
so
why don't you
warm.
make me some fries? I'm going to.
Fries.
Dear my wife's sister, it's come to my attention. You've been a bad girl. And I don't want my genitals to catch herpes. Which your sister tells me is pretty much 90% of your personality.
She's a terrible person, too.
And she says you're bad.
She
and
treats you just
by the way,
Yeah.
you know, and I just found out what a great sandwich she makes, and maybe I didn't give her enough of a chance the first time around.
Do you want
'cause
salt?
Yes, and pepper.
Salt. Okay.
A little bit oil and vinegar.
Ketchup?
No.
Okay. Oil, vinegar.
Did you really just say ketchup? Could you step back?